Hello friends, welcome to VSP Unity. In our today's session, we are going to learn a new project where you people will be having the image. If you click onto the image will produce the sound. Like this app is very useful for the kids to know the sounds of animal, to know the sounds of vehicle, as well as to know the sounds of other equipments that we will be using it in daily life, as well as they will come to know how to pronounce the numbers, how to pronounce the alphabets like this. So on, we will be creating the app which will be having an image. If you click onto that image, you people will be producing the sound. Now let us do that. So in order to do so, you need to open your MIT App Inventor account. This will be your user interface where you people will be having the palette, viewer, component and properties. By using all these things, we will be developing our app. In order to do your app, first of all, you need to click onto the projects. In the projects, you will be having an option called Start New Project. Just click here. You'll be getting the Start New Project. Just click onto the Start New Project. Now name your project. As I'm producing the sound, I'll say the project name as Let Us Know the Sound. Let us know the sound. You can give any name for your project. I'm giving this. Let us know the sound. Now just click on to OK. This will be given as a name. In the name, the spaces are not allowed. So you people could use the underscore. I'll just simply remove the spaces that I have given. Just you can use underscore, but as it will be taking time in my video, I'm just removing the spaces. But you people can separate them by using the underscore option. I hope it is visible to you people. Just I'm removing the spaces. Spaces are not allowed while you are giving the name, and you people can separate them with the underscore. Just click on OK. Now one more interface will come where you people will be having the new viewer with the empty screen, where you people could arrange the elements for your new project. See this. See here, this is the empty screen where you people are having, and here in this viewer you people will be arranging the elements. Now as I suggested you people that we will be having an image. If you click that image, you people will be producing the sound. In order to do so, I'll be placing a label which shows that click on the image, and then I'll be placing an image. If you click onto the image, I'll be producing the sound. In order to do that, you need one image and one label and one more component called sound component. See, you people could see the label, you people could see the image. Both are visible components, but sound is a non-visible component. By using these three, we'll be completing our project. Now, at last, I'll be saying you to prepare one more project which is used for kids. Let us see how we will prepare this project. Okay. Now, let us use these three components in order to develop our app. Let's go for it. Now, as I said, drag and drop the label from your palette. This is a palette session where you are having a label. Along with that, you will be having image also. Just you need to drag and drop the image. Now, both the things will drag and drop into our viewer. Just see how we will do that. Okay. Just I'm holding my label and I'm dragging and dropping into the viewer position. And again, we are holding the image and we are dropping into the viewer. See, when you are dropping the image component will not show the picture. You need to upload that. It won't have any picture by default. You can see the label also. Label by default, the label will be consisting text for label 1. But we don't want to show that on the screen. We want to show click the image to know the sound. Okay. Now, let us see how we will change the property of label. How we will change the property of image. Image must be clickable. So how we will change the properties? Now we will see them. Okay. In order to do so, as we have explained earlier, you need to select the component for which you want to change the properties. We do have only two components here. As I said, you people need to add one more component called what? Sound. In order to do so, you need to go for a session called media in the palette. If you click onto this media, then you will be having a session called, then you will be having a component called sound. Just click onto that and drag and drop into your viewer. See here, you could see sound component. Sound component. Now I will take this and just drag and drop into the viewer. Just I will do that. See. Now let us hold the sound component and just drag and drop it into the viewer. See, you could see in your viewer, you can't see the component called sound, but at the bottom of your screen, you can see the non-visible component. You can see what? Non-visible component, that is sound recorder. Now let us go for this. So I'll delete and we will code for this particular session or as project, I can say. Now let us code, but in order to do the blocking, in order to do the coding, we need to go for blocks. Just at the top right, you people will be having the designer and block session. Click onto the block session in order to code the thing. But as I said, before coding it, I'll be arranging the properties for label and image. Let us do that first and then go for blocks. Now, as you want to arrange the properties for your label, just click onto the label from your component. Now, I'll do that. I'll select my component and in that I'll be clicking onto my label. See the properties. Properties has changed according to your label. In the label, I want to display the text. See, in the properties, you do have a text. Click onto the text and change the text for your label. Text for your label is click image to know the sound. Sound. Okay. Now think that it is done. Then you can change the font italic, font bold, and you can change the background color. You can change the font size. I'll say font italic, font bold, and I'll be changing the font size to some 20 size. Okay. And you could change the background, all those things you people know, right? I don't want to change the remaining things. Now I'll go for the image property. See, when I have clicked onto the image from the components, then the properties related to image will be opened. Now, see here, already I told you people, the image must be clickable. Image must be clickable. Means to say that when I have pressed onto the image, it must be doing something. Then you must change the property to clickable here. In the property session, you will be having a clickable option. Just you need to tick it off so that your image will be clickable. Now let us do that. See, in this way it will be clickable. And see, for our image component, we don't have any image over here. Just I'll select the image from your property called pictures. None is there now. Just click onto that. It will ask you to upload the image. Just upload it. That will be assigned for your image component. How it will be done, just we will see now. Okay. Now click onto this and upload the file. Select the file from your computer. Just choose a file. I'll go to files and I'll select my image. Say I'll be preparing it for lion. When I click onto the lion, how the lion will sound, how the lion will roar, that I'll listen. Just upload your image and click on OK. Now when you are saying OK, you could see your viewer image is uploaded, but it is not fit into your screen. So just adjust your height and width in your image property. Go to image and go to properties, adjust your height I'll say 50% of your screen. Okay, then click on OK, and width is also 50% so that it will be visible to you. Click on OK. Now see, now you see your screen. See, in this way it has been arranged. So you don't want to see it in the corner of your screen, then go to your screen properties and align all the things into the center of your screen. See, you people have a screen here in the component session. Go to your properties. In the property, you do have a align horizontal. Horizontal, make it as center, and top and bottom also make it as center. Now see your screen. In the middle of the screen, you are having this. Click image to know the sound, and you are having the image. Now, you could change the properties of your images as per your requirement as well as label. Now the designing has been done. Now let us block this. In order to block this, just you need to click onto the blocks option from the top right of your screen. Just click onto it. Okay. Now see, the interface will be like this. At the left side, you are having the blocks that will be used for coding, and in the same way, if you go down, you will be having the options related to the components that you people have taken for your project. Let us see them. See, these are the components that I have taken that you people might have observed. Now we need to code for the image. Image label is not doing anything, just it displays the text. Now in our project, image is doing something. When I am clicking that image, it is producing the sound. You might have observed the sound component. In the sound component, we haven't uploaded any sound. Just we need to upload the sound by going to the properties of the sound. Let us do that first, then we will come to the block. Okay, just I'll go for the designer. In that, we'll go for the sound. Have I taken sound recorder or sound beta? Then I'll go for media. I'll just go for media. Okay, in the media, I'm having a sound component. Just drag and drop it. I haven't observed the previously we have taken sound recorder, not sound. So you need to take the component called sound component, not sound recorder. Okay, so I want to delete this sound recorder. Not a problem. Just you need to select that. You need to select that from your component. Just go for delete option. Delete. Now we have deleted that. Now, as I have taken the sound component in the non-visible component, just click onto the sound. Now, upload the source from which you want to produce the sound. Now, upload the file. Select the file from your computer. I'm selecting my file, audio file. So I'm selecting tiger or lion, how the lion roars. That sound I'm just uploading it. Okay. Upload, choose, go to files, go to sound, and upload the sound. Okay. Now the sound is uploaded. You people can check it here in the properties of the sound. Source is angry tiger, angry lion, that you could select. I have downloaded this particular music from your internet. How you people will be downloading the music? In the same way, I'll be downloading the music effects. Just after this, I'll go for the blocks. And as I said, you people, when I'm clicking onto the image, my work starts with the image. In the blocks, you need to go for image. Then it will be showing you the related functions to your image. When image one dot click, when it is clicked, then I'm doing something. What I'm doing, I'm producing the sound. Click onto the sound component. Here you people will be having a call sound play. Call sound play. Play what? We have given the source. From that source, it will be playing the sound. Then done. This is what your project is. Okay. Now let us check it whether it is working or not. See, as I'm not using AI component, AI companion, just directly I'll go with the build option. Directly I'll download and install in my device, and I'll show you. Click onto the build and select the Android app. Click onto the build, and select the first option, Android app.apk file. Now it will take some time. It will convert into the APK file and get it download into your system. Okay, it is 75%. Let's wait for 100%. It will show you the download option. Just you need to download it and install as you people are doing for the other apps, so that it will be installed into your device. Let us see whether it is working or not after completion of 100%. So it will be taking some time. You need to wait. It will be taking a little bit of time. Now it is 100%. Now let us see whether it is showing download option or not. Now it is showing you download APK. What it is showing? Download APK. Click onto this and get download your app. Okay. See, it will ask you download anyway. Why? Because we are not registered app developers. It will ask you, it will be harmful to your computer, but I'm downloading it anyway. Just it is downloaded. Just open it, and when you are installing, it will ask you, do you want to install? Just say install. See, let us know the sound is my app and it is installing in my device. Try to remember one thing. Whatever the apps that you are developing in MIT App Inventor will be executed onto your Android operating systems. Okay, and just I'll say open. And if you see like this now, you won't understand. I'll go back to my screen and I'll try to show you the apps. See, this is my app. Let us know the sound, and I'll try to open that by clicking it. Then you'll come to know whether it is installed or not. Okay, now let us click onto this icon. Now see, it has been opened. Now what's the motto? If you click onto the image, it should produce the sound. Now I'm clicking onto the image. I'm clicking it. Just see, observe the sound if it is coming. Okay. Don't be scary. Okay, you could go for any kind of images and any kind of animals like cat, dog, anything. Okay, and you people can put the numbers 1 2 3, and you can record your own voice and you can upload your sound, so that people will come to know the sounds of those particular numbers, as well as they will come to know how to pronounce it. It is very 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 useful if you think in case of your kids. Okay, so what's my motto is, I want you to develop this app by taking a tabular format. Tabular format means you arrange number of images into the table. How you people will arrange the tables, I'll show you. See, in case of your user interface, you do have a component called layout. In the layout, you people will be having the tabular element. Just drag and drop and you can arrange number of images into that, and for each and every image you people will be having a sound component. Just select that, upload your sounds, and let's play as per the requirement. Okay, now consider for a while, if I'm going to my app, I'll say dismiss, I'll go for a designer. See, this is my original app now. Then I'll go to my layout and I'll bring table arrangement here and I'll drag and drop it into my space. See, when I have dragged and dropped here, by default for a table, you are having columns and rows. Say for example, if I want to arrange two four images, two rows and two columns are enough. You can change the number of rows and number of columns in the table property, but for now think that I have changed for only one image, right? And bring it and put it in the table. See, it is arranged in the table. If I want to select one more image, you could select it from the user interface and you can put it into the table. Just drag and drop here. See here, and I'm dragging it from the top to your table. Now it is arranged side by side. Like that, you could arrange one more image. You can drag and drop and you can put it in the table, and you can arrange one more here. You can arrange the same properties that I have done for lion. Say suppose here you are taking some cat picture, here you are taking some dog picture, here you are taking some camel. Likewise, you people need to arrange the sounds as well as likewise you need to arrange the images. That's it. Your project will be completed. I hope you people will be trying at your home. All the best. We'll see in the next one. Video length is very too much. If you like this video, just press it onto the thumbs up button. Do like your videos and share with your friends to develop the apps. MIT App Inventor will help you to develop your app in order to understand the blocks. Okay, that's it for now. See you in the next one. Thank you.